This is an overview of Marketing in a Box. Marketing in a Box is the all-inclusive marketing campaign platform found at tagontheweb.com. There are 3 user actions on the platform. You can request content development, plan media, or schedule website service. Marketing in a Box is an all-inclusive tactical package. You get a landing page, display ads, social creative, text ads, keyword research, media buying, local or national exposure, guaranteed site traffic. You also get technical SEO, webmaster inspection to fix, update, and repair back-end files. It's really marketing on your terms. You can launch a campaign now or launch it later. You can pay now or pay over time. Campaigns are done your way. It's your strategy, your audience, your message. That first wave of creative deliverables comes in 72 hours. All Marketing in a Box campaigns include 5 display ads and a landing page. The second user action on the platform is where you orchestrate outreach. This is where you access the media console to share your outreach goals, define your target audience, upload finished ads, and set the start date. You can expect 300 to 400 more site visitors monthly. The third user action on the platform is to schedule site service. Improve your website searchability with technical SEO. There's a 19-point site inspection of backend files to adhere to SEO best practices. It's available on 12-month Marketing in a Box campaigns only. Marketing in a Box campaigns are affordable. There are 8 campaigns priced for every budget. Whether you want national, local, and coming soon, global exposure, there is no better value than Marketing in a Box. There's ample customer support to assist you, including live chat, priority contact forms, and how-to guides. To request a demo of Marketing in a Box, go to tagontheweb.com/services/demo.